So hi guys, today I will share with you my experience of my FR teacher. The classes I had taken from Parveen Jindal sir. So what are the pros and cons that I saw in the FR classes I would tell you. So the first pro was that sir gives a comprehensive coverage of all the concepts, chapters, all the NDAs with many question practice in the class as well as he gives homeworks. The second thing is that his notes are very good. The notes are very comprehensive. My notes were of around 300 pages in 4 registers, so you can see the volume of notes that he gives. And now, if I look at the cons, the classes were of around 420 hours, which is, I guess, a lot with the articleship going on. So that was a problem for me. Also, the teaching style. Some students might like him. I also liked him during CA Inter, but this time I felt it was not the thing that I wanted. So teaching style, you can go for some young teacher. Also, the study material is also a little scattered, which was a problem for me. It is in around 8 volumes, thick and thin. Some are thick, some are thin. So that was also a problem for me. So in the end, if I would conclude, obviously he's a legendary teacher, one of the most uh, legendary faculties in FR. So I would still suggest, if you find another option which a teacher provides in less hours, because 420 hours is a lot along with your articleship. No doubt sir provides a comprehensive coverage that will help you in your practical world as well, but still a CA final student goes through a lot. So if you can get some other teacher in some less hours, I would suggest you can go for that. From my peers, I have heard that Akash Kandoi sir is very good these days. So you can think upon that. Also, if anyone needs to ask me anything, he can ping me on the mail ID mentioned in this description. Thank you.